What's up, YouTube? Your boy just forgot his phone. So today we're going to Soweto. Potentially we're fetching the food, as I told you on the last episode. So join me at something. Give flavor and that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry about that. So let me see sengiyakhona ithi mangabe awunamoto fanele kube ne-umbrella. So yimi lowo mjita one-umbrella instead of imoto. So vandaag, I'm closing the mic. So vandaag sihamba ngeteksi. That's Bolt. Something ngetak-tak. Going back to our old route. Back to our route 60 all the way. Uyabona masosha wayilezi uhlala wazi ukuthi hayi soyigrot man mfethu uphelele awuthi yami hayi mfana ngento engiyasho ngithi asambe sejuice noma ngisukumile emarazini sizofika phambili. The aim is to double up via Jozi to Soweto, so asambeni. There's something it takes, traveling via Jozi, going to Soweto. You get to see ubuhle bethu Jozi. Noma obvious there's other certain parts that are bongcwele mara yabona amasidlula njengala emaboningi bafowethu ngoba itaxi ingene ngemabonini kula ngivele ngibone kahle ukuthi azini kwamele umuntu enze isikhathi nje azoshaya vlog ngayo azobona nice everything that is nice sibona ukuthi yini lento le overrated kangaka ngemabonini mara ngibona ngakhona it's like a free lifestyle. Does not drive an eye vele wangishaya ngemaphakathi instead of ukuhamba straight wavele wathi jika ngemabonini nami ngabona ngathi hayi la ngiyabuya udaba December. I think you should stay at home, just uyadlula izindaweni awuhambe indawo mfethu la fanele kungabi khona. Let's be safe this December. Mara ya mabonini sobuya sesifikile Central Johannesburg Central. Siyangena ngaphakathi deep inside Joburg. So sisejuice. Okay. So ukuhambeni kwami ngidecide ngithi konje basivulile le strata sasebray. Mara bafethu, I just have one question. Nivuleleni strata mangabe angaqedi. Ngiyabona ukuthi the other street they doing the whole Bray Street, but I could understand the logic, but let's say site livuliwe nje just so that it can vice traffic, but ngiyazi the site but they're working on the whole Bray Street. As you can see, it's closed up. Mara asijampa istrata mfethu sivayise elokishini. Tala. Number one. Sibuyile kasi. Hey, I stop smoking in these vlogs.
Do you want to live your life as a clean man?
When you say clean, no weed, no drinking, nothing.
Nothing.
Why?
So yeah, the plan is to go see Jamani. After Jamani, go see shoes. So, Buffett, Fukani Autiami hosts the best parties you can think of in Soweto. So, search and follow my friend Ushuz. Soweto. Go fetch the car from the mechanic. That's the plan. Then drive off home. Hey, there's something about coming here. I get to see Skia Keys Kitchen.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Skia Keys Kitchen. The kitchen, lesekasi madoda. We are the most fast-growing fast food in Protea Clan, Soweto. Abasaziyo know us as Momayini Kitchen, and we unlock the flavor. Bekele bek.
And I feel like I still have fight in me. The fact that it's closed, something else. But 2026.
Sakubona next year, not this year.
Coming back, still have the equipment, still have everything. We just need to be serious. It's coming up with a date, but surely we'll come up with a date. So this is what I miss about the castle. Hey, namhlanje ngizibona zonke. uTamtimbane acoacha danki kuchi danki Tamtimbane athi ngiyobona ubra wami challenge number 1 somebody mlungu komba kanjani mfowethu ngiyangibona ngithanga ngivule ngingavulisa ngizofunta amajita futa challenge the papa.
A few moments later.
Once upon a time this used to be Skia Keys Kitchen. Once upon a time.
My mouth is dry, guys. But I think it's because I'm hungry. Because the smell right now from where I'm standing, like, it's too much. Okay, so stay tuned, stay live as we go inside. Okay, too, inside and which is burger.
Burger, Russian, it also has chicken, bacon. But then it's only bacon and then you put in a can. So do that.
Yeah, this is Chef Tato, guys, by the way. And right here by my side we have Chef Chamani. Chef Chamani! Come on, spaghetti. I couldn't have I'm a special order now. Yeah.
Now there's no longer Skia Keys Kitchen. It's just a storeroom. Yabona ukuthi Skia Keys ngabuye khipha zonke lento lezi ngiyekela ukwenza i-storeroom lana. Land equipment yami from uJamani. Then we set it off. Khona namanzi phela la. Ngizomvula. Ngibona lento impompi. So yeah. Something for the shoes. One mama mkhulu. Akuthi DJ. So buy pepper. Hi, sengila kule car so much as well fetch this car. at least ngiyakwazi ukurelaxa. Ya, sithemba ukuthi lo mshado ukhona. Ba. Yeah, man. Black people can't keep thumbs up. Mara, one of the guys who was next to Uti, I check him out at 8 in the morning. So, let's hope that is the truth. Yeah, chicks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Selo Shin vandaag zolang moto.
Ngiphinde ngisase-busy ifoni yami ilokhu ingaphakathi kwemoto ngisase-busy ngisasela i-mainly la ePitori kumele ngicede ukufaka i-engine ngiyifakile kusamele ngifake i-prop shaft nama-drive shaft bese kumele ngifake ne-wiring.
Mawubhekile mfethu uzolenda nini ngayi mfethu ngoba ngathi saseshaya ngesipane sibhaya mfana and manje kwamele ngibuyele le mfethu. Anginanda ukuthi ngingcolile or ngingcolanga. Hawu. Sure.
Mara no bathole ezinye iponzanyana for ngolo nyaka lo. Next year
Silongiphusheka mngani wami, silongiphusheka mngani wami. Akufuneka isalary.
Program namanye ama program nje ukuthi are based into self introspection kahle kahle. Baphusha ama program ama international on the stage. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ukanza 26 episodes ukanza tena tuza watu wa baba sabani ya utima mzamaji wa mazanga akamba wewe mzamaji
I think we spent with us, much of a 30 years, and this was for us to focus on the game and prepare well for the game on Saturday.
Everton yamoela Nottingham Forest, Manchester City yamoela Sunderland, Newcastle marahora yabusupa Leeds United yamoela Liverpool yamoela Crystal Palace. Akaputheleta bathina azali papadi kaza papadi ya cricket sebabalisota ngasho pensare Proteas Matthew Briskin ore yina ba ka ise ya o fetela ka morao dihlopha tsena ka bobedi di bapale papadi e pedi mo e leng hore ya pele ile ha fetisa sa India ha bobedi ile ha tswa ke sehlopha sa ya Afrika Borwa bona hle a se matla ho di papading tseo ka fela tseo Afrika Borwa di bapaletse mo naheng ya India.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting. I think we have seen that the Jew has played a big part. Obviously, in our advantage, batting second, it's been nice to bat. So, if we have to bat first.
That's 64 rand 99. All of that 20 rand got is far reward. If you money out to 24 November, 7 December 2025.
Ibangunana ke go kgona ho lefella lekweta pele tsa molao tse theko e tlase o ka fumana cover e fihla mo 745,000 rand ka selemo. Diplane tsa rona di kenyeletsa cover ya hao molekane bana le ba leloko. Diplane di cover ditaba tsa setjhaba hlokotsebe le tsa mosebetsing e ka ba di-protection order tlhekefetso ya moo tlhalo ntle le kgang kapa ditshebeletso kapa romela email re tla kgutlela ho wena. Diplane tsohle di kenyeletsa
Pick and Pay Support ha o le monyaka fela. Pick and Pay
Re shemana metsero be dipelo ra ya botshelela bonso se umba ka jeno ho tla etswa lotho ya dipapadi tsa mo lefatsheng.
etekisini ngibe ngithola i-call from umuntu wami. Athi umuntu wami, baby, ngithenge ipizza wena woza nama-wings. Yo, ngapha iteksi yayibona ilayini izohamba manje le line ithi manje kumele ngifasti sithenge izinto fast mara yo Nkosi yami ilayini la hayi mara thi sibambe mfethu yazi pizza nama-wings into ey'khala kahle. So let's wait for the order. Let's see.
Athi ngizofola la line la ngesikhathi ngeteksi ngizocorrect
hayi wayile kumele i-order lena mfethu athi ngiblome ngaphandle ngishise inkawuza. Hey, kumele ngiyeke le nkawuza. Yeah, so we're gonna do a challenge next month probably to leave smoking. Mara for now I'm waiting for the order. Mara nago singibuyela ngaphakathi ngiyo-check.
I got it right. All right. Yabong. Ora isikhathi sokuhamba ukuya ekhaya. Hopefully teksi ngisakhona.
The nicest thing about taking a taxi is that you always hear stories, even though you always with a man. Isikhathi sokuhamba manje 16:32 asambeni.
Ela triple. Elengwe. Wa sakutshayisa sikubethe wena. Ya guys. Hamba endleleni.
It looks all after robots, you know.
Sure guys, thank you very much for coming through and unlocking the flavor with me, even though we are disappointed. But thank you very much for watching this vlog. Sengibuyile ekhaya.